So today I'm going to talk about bird hunting in Washington State. Bird hunting is something I've done all my life, 60 plus years. And it's just, I can hardly wait for fall to come. The 1st of September, doves open up, and then quail and grouse and then pheasants. Oh man, pheasants! I can just just getting out there and walking through that sagebrush and just having a bird fly up and just taking my old 870 12 gauge pump gun, and bringing one down and bringing it home and cooking it up for dinner. Oh, that's living.